The course title is Terraform on AWS. Let's look for the course objectives. In this course, you will learn about Terraform and its features, deploying infrastructure using Terraform, generating and modifying configuration in Terraform, deploy and configure load balancer, work with Terraform provisioners and modules, security parameters and its configuration in Terraform. What is Terraform? Terraform is a tool for building, changing, versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently on cloud. This course illustrates the functionality and features of Terraform. You will learn how to deploy the infrastructure with Terraform, understand the dynamic blocks in Terraform, configure load balancer using Terraform, explore security primers, work on Terraform provisioners and Terraform modules with hands-on examples. The main target audience are cloud administrators, DevOps developers, DevOps engineers, cloud architects. The main prerequisites for this course is basic understanding of cloud infrastructure concepts, working knowledge on AWS cloud, basic knowledge of Linux commands. This course covers completely of 6 lessons. A lesson 1 which talks about introduction to Terraform. Lesson 2 is deploying infrastructure with Terraform. Lesson 3 generate and modify configuration in Terraform. Lesson 4 deploy load balancer using Terraform. Lesson 5 Terraform provisioners and modules, and lesson 6 security primer in Terraform. The practices for the each lesson goes like this. For lesson 1, 1-1, setting up AWS account for Terraform. 1-2, installing and configuring Terraform. For lesson 2, 2-1, creating AWS instance with Terraform. 2-2, understanding resources and providers. In lesson 3, 3-1, creating attributes and output values for AWS instance. 3-2, validating the AWS configuration code. 3-3, creating dynamic blocks in Terraform. In lesson 4, 4-1, deploying application load balancer using Terraform, deploying network load balancer using Terraform. In lesson 5, 5-1, implementing EXAC Terraform provisioners. 5-2, implementing EC2 module with Terraform. In lesson 6, 6-1, implementing sensitive parameters in Terraform. For the practice environment, it should consist of a valid AWS account to access the AWS cloud resources. A AWS user account should have the privilege to update and add security ports and a PuTTY installed in the local machine to connect to the AWS instance. And to summarize, you should have got the information about detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, detailed course schedule, practice environment used in the course to do the activities.